Altcoin season 2025 starts when this happens. So, welcome to the video, everybody. We got to talk about why altcoin season 2025 is actually about to start and what is going to actually end up causing that. So, we're going to talk about that. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this is financial advice. Let's get straight into it. So, right here, what we are looking at is the crypto total market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So just by looking at this chart, you can already tell something big is about to happen. You can look at it and see if we break past this level right here, we're going to get right back up to where we were previously in December, and we were doing extremely well in December. Right in December, the altcoins got all the way up to 1.3 trillion or 1.13 trillion inside of market cap. Altcoins almost got all the way up to 1.14 trillion, and that's excluding Ethereum. So we're actually seeing good gains right now, 3.72% in altcoins inside of the last 24 hours, excluding Ethereum and Bitcoin. So what we're actually looking at right here is our Fibonacci. If we pass this area, you can see we can be going into this bullish zone here. And this is the chart prime indicators. This particular one is a free one. Actually, if you want to go ahead and check that out, this is the order blocks liquidity voids for chart prime. So you can actually get that one for free. But if you want the paid ones, you can check that out. Link in the description. But anyways, what we can see here is that we're actually about to enter this bullish zone. And you can actually see every single time we get into this bullish zone, we always get some buying. We drop back into it again here, we always get some buying. But we just weren't lucky this time because of this bullish zone rejected us. And it rejected us twice, sending all of altcoins down into oblivion. But now what you're actually seeing here is us about to be passing this resistance zone again inside the Fibonacci. So that is about to happen. And when, I don't know. How, I don't know. But what I do know is it's about to happen. Now, there is a possibility that we get rejected here once again. We tried to do it here, but we just did it too fast off of that drop. That was a hard drop, and it literally recovered so fast that it was just way too fast. So we had to kind of recoup and build that momentum, because you have to build momentum so then you have the power to push through that resistance. And look at this. This is a textbook play right here. Look, the same pattern. I call it the stair step method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On this fifth stair step, it looks like we're about to break past it. Maybe it goes down one more and then breaks past it. But either way, it does look like it's about to break that. So hopefully we break that soon. So that is the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. This, let me restore this. I'm gonna have to get premium version of this eventually. But look, this right here is a different one. This is the total crypto market cap, and it's just all of them, right? And then this right here is market cap dominance for Bitcoin. But look at the total crypto market cap. It's kind of in the same range, but it doesn't look like it has as much strength as just the altcoins do. The altcoins looks like it's building up way more right here, right? Whereas if you look for the total market cap for Bitcoin and Ethereum and all the other cryptos, you can see the drops are way harder, and it's almost like a downtrend. Like you can see the drops are way harder. Now, mind you, when the altcoins go up, Bitcoin's going to be going up too. But Bitcoin is going to be lagging behind the altcoins because altcoin season is coming. So that's probably what we're going to end up seeing here. There's another bearish zone up here. I think once Bitcoin and everything else goes up here, I think at this point right here, we'll probably end up seeing Bitcoin pulling back while the altcoins continue to pull forward and take that money from Bitcoin and then putting it into the altcoins. So I think that is what's going to end up happening. So Bitcoin should still go up, but I think once Bitcoin reaches a nice peak, we're going to end up seeing those altcoins continuing to rise while Bitcoin pulls back. So yeah, this is the total crypto market cap for all of them. Now, Bitcoin dominance. Look at how Bitcoin dominance is going down to this little support line here, right at the bullish area. So yes, Bitcoin is becoming less dominant. Like I said before, it is going to end up pulling back a little bit here, the dominance, but then it's probably going to continue to rise. And that's kind of the same thing when you look at it here. So as this price will go up, you'll start to see altcoins. And like I said, it does look like it's on a slight bit of a downtrend here for Bitcoin. Well, for the total market cap, right? And that's because of Bitcoin is really pulling it back because altcoins are really starting to they're really starting to turn up with altcoins. Altcoins up 3.25% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin only up, well, all of them all together up 2%. Okay, and then Bitcoin dominance again, but yeah, Bitcoin dominance down 0.64% in the last 24 hours. So yeah, it's definitely prevalent that Bitcoin is losing dominance, but it will regain some of that dominance once it comes back down to the support at about 0.59%, 0.5980, somewhere around there, and then it should recover just a little bit. It's not going to recover a lot because remember we have this bearish area here. When we get up there, we're typically bearish. So we're probably going to end up seeing either another smaller pullback followed by a little bit of a rise on the dominance. But yeah, altcoin season is definitely coming into play. So we should be seeing that soon. Now, what's odd, I see over here, you can actually see the total crypto market cap says right here on CoinGecko that it is about 3,419,722,093,349, right? So pretty much 3.419 trillion. But when you look over here on the total market cap, you can see on TradingView 3.2 trillion. So I think that's a little bit of a I guess it's a discrepancy whether or not you want to believe, CoinGecko, which pretty much gets all of the new listed coins, even all the DeFi coins, the ones that are never put on actual exchanges, compared to TradingView, which is only having things that are on exchanges and some DeFi things. So I think CoinGecko is right in this. The total market cap for all cryptos is at 3.419 trillion. So that's what we see right there. That's interesting. And then when you look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin's total market cap is at 1.96. All right, 1.96 trillion inside of the total Bitcoin market cap. So eventually Bitcoin should rise back up to where it was once before, 2.147 trillion, and probably a little bit higher. But after that, we're going to end up seeing the altcoin season starting, and it's kind of already starting to ramp up right here. So any moment now, we should be able to break past this. There's always the possibility that it gets rejected, though. So don't think it's 100% going to do it. It could get rejected. And if that gets rejected, you're going to see a nasty dip inside of altcoins. Altcoins, the whole overall market cap is going to go back down to 800 billion. Right now it's at 932 billion. So just think about that. That's 132 billion dollars leaving altcoins, excluding Ethereum. So no Bitcoin, no Ethereum. Imagine losing 100 billion, well 132 billion inside of market cap, and you're not including Ethereum inside of it or Bitcoin. So if we get rejected here, that's going to be a nasty drop in altcoins. So you definitely want to pay attention to that. Altcoins are doing well right now, though. XRP is pumping 12.8%. You got Solana going up decently. BNB already had its run earlier in the week. Doge is doing its thing. So yeah, you're seeing all the altcoins are like recovering right now. So that's why you're seeing this little rise inside of the market cap for all the altcoins. But if it gets rejected, that's going to be a nasty drop. So you guys want to be prepared for that. But anyways, this is all I got for you all today. And like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Let me know what you guys think about this. And I'll see you inside of the next video.